welcome to the channel. Ahilan here, and the question is, do I invest in Bitcoin? So that's what I'm going to be talking about in this video. Now, Bitcoin was all the rage back in 2017. We know that it really fluctuated in price, in value. It dramatically increased, and people were just, throwing their money left, right, and center. And there were even some people putting their life savings on the line to kind of take a chance to cash out on this quote unquote lucrative opportunity. Not the smartest decision, in my opinion. A lot of people lost out. It was just a bubble, and soon after, the price dropped immensely, right? So, do I myself invest in Bitcoin? Well, no, I don't. I don't invest in Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrencies. I do have some conservative stocks, dividend yielding stocks that I do invest into. My thing with investing is I invest into what I understand, and Bitcoin is somewhat of a new phenomenon that has surfaced, and there's just too many problems with Bitcoin and just too many risks involved. And to be honest, I'm more of a risk averse kind of investor. There are times where you may want to invest in a risky situation, but you want to be able to do your due diligence and be able to do your research before you invest into a risky business endeavor. Now, here's the thing. Bitcoin has no intrinsic value, right? Bitcoin is not really backed up by any product or service, right? If you take Apple, for example, like an Apple stock, or even we can say Walmart, right? These types of companies and corporations they have intrinsic value. They're backed up by their product or services. So let's put P and S. So either or, they're backed up by either a product or service, where Bitcoin just appreciated in value because people were throwing their money at it left, right, and center. And that's why Bitcoin became so expensive, and its price dramatically increased in such a exponential fashion, right? Apple stocks and, like I said, Walmart stocks and any other corporation stocks have an intrinsic worth, right? So Bitcoin has no intrinsic worth. There's no value really ascribed to it apart from being a pump and dump scheme, right? That's what people were calling it, and it was literally just a bubble, right? And yeah, so again, I don't claim to know everything about Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. I know there's Litecoin and Ethereum and many others to go along with that, but you see, Bitcoin just comes with too much pitfalls, in regards to regulations. Governments did not like Bitcoin, right? I know it's a decentralized currency ran by an algorithm, and, I know about the mining and so forth. However, again, Bitcoin is not, for me, there's no proof of concept, right? There's no proof of concept, right? Why I invested into Kindle publishing? Because there's a proof of concept, right? You follow a strategy and you execute that strategy and you make money, right? The same goes for real estate, and the same goes for video courses, right? So those are things I do invest into, right? It has to have a proof of concept. There has to be a track record, right? You don't just jump on something because mainstream media is promoting it or talking about it, right? The people who made a bunch of money on Bitcoins are the ones who were able to see ahead of the curve, as the saying goes. And yeah, there were millionaires made out of people who invested early on in Bitcoin. And now I'm talking early 2008, 2009, 2010, those years where it was information on Bitcoin on the internet was very scarce and it wasn't readily available as it is today, right? So that's my thoughts on investing in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. My recommendation is not to invest in these types of stocks or investments because, one, again, they're very volatile, and two, government regulations is a real big gray area. There are a bunch of governments that don't even want Bitcoin in their country of residence. They've banned Bitcoin. It's illegal. So again, these are things you have to keep into consideration when you invest into something. So if you want to invest in something, invest into something that has a proof of concept, a wealth creation vehicle that has a track record. And again, I think to make money online, if you want to make it the easiest way, it's not Bitcoin, it's Kindle publishing. And if you want to learn how to do that the proper way to create a successful and extremely profitable self-publishing business that can generate you money on autopilot, so you can make money while you travel the world, while you sleep, wake up to hundreds of dollars in net profit. The sky is the limit. So if you want to learn all this good stuff, check out Passive Income Publishing Academy, the best nonfiction course on the market, and I'm hoping to see you in there very soon. So thanks for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share if you haven't, and comment below. Let me know your thoughts on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies or other investment wealth creation vehicles that you may invest into too. I'd like to hear your thoughts on that. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.